You have probably researched Modere's trim and you're like, okay, should I try this product? And is there an opportunity to make money on it? That's what we're gonna be talking about in today's video, is Modere's business model and why it's different than your traditional network marketing space, and can you actually make money selling Modere's trim? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna link right over here, because if you found this video, maybe you're just searching because you wanna be a customer, which there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. I'm gonna send you right over here to this video so that you can take a look at the different types of Modere ingredients for trim and for our liquid biocell. But if you're interested in the opportunity, if you're like, hey, I really like this product and maybe I actually want to sell it and make money, then I want you to stick around, because we're going to be talking about Modere's business model and what makes it very different than the traditional network marketing space. And before I actually get started into what makes it differently, what I want to do is I want to share with you a little bit about my story. So I've been in the network marketing space for about 9 years. I started at one company about 5 years ago, and I had great success, but my team wasn't winning. And so I started to look at the way that Modere was building, and about 5 years ago, I couldn't deny what I was seeing, and I wanted my team to be set up to win. And this is what makes Modere very different than the traditional network marketing space. So number one of the things that I loved about Modere is that we actually have a two-sided comp plan. And what that means is we have the sales side where you can just sell Modere's trim. You do not need to have a team. You earn rank, you earn incentive trips, you earn the ability to be up on stage and to be recognized without having a team. Where with a traditional network marketing company, you cannot have that type of success unless you've built a team. What Modere realizes is that building a team, A, is sometimes the hardest part of the network marketing space, and B, it's not a place that everybody wants to be. Not everybody wants to build a team. So they came up with just the sales side, or the affiliate side of our comp plan, where you can earn up to 36% commission on every single order that gets placed with your link. So that to me was like a game changer, because I knew so many people on my team struggled with making and growing a team, and then they didn't have success in their business because they couldn't build a team. And so when I found a company that would just allow them to earn the commissions off of their own personal sales up to 36% on every single order, I knew that that would be a place where people could win. Now, Modere has the other side of the comp plan where you do build the team, and that is where the reoccurring income comes from your team, the traditional network marketing space where you're earning off of your downline's success. And so they have both sides of the comp plan. You can rank advance on both sides of the comp plan. You can earn, the incentive trips on both sides of the comp plan. You can walk across the stage on both sides of the comp plan. And so it is, having that flexibility where you can choose where you want to build, or if you want to choose to build both, that works as well. That was really, really one of the major things that drew me to Modere when I was looking for a new company 5 years ago. Now, the second thing that I love about Modere is that they understand social media marketing. I did not want to be doing home parties or online parties anymore. I wanted to be able to build on social media and not be, building away from my family, going to parties, going to events and all of that. I wanted to build only on social media, because I could build it throughout the nooks and crannies of my day, in the car line, in my messenger. And so what Modere has is their give 10, get 10. So as a customer, you get a $10, you get a link, a referral link that you can share with your friends and family. And we call them our referral posts, and they post it on their wall, and anybody that orders, you get money back on your next order. So you don't have to put together all of these, elaborate parties and have nobody show up, or have a few people show up and you've put in all of this work and you're totally disappointed by it, because that's how it was in my former company, and it was really, really frustrating. And so I loved that we teach you to brand yourself on social media using basic, simple curiosity marketing of, referral posts to put up on your friend's page, and it's one post, and then they get the benefits of all of their, customers that order, they get money off of their next product. Now, the third thing that I loved about Modere that made it very different is it is set up like an e-commerce store. So what does that mean? That means that if you want to, join Modere, and I'm gonna put a link for you in the description of this video for you to contact me if you're like, wow, Julie, this sounds amazing. I'm really interested in building Modere with you. Then I'm gonna put a link in the description of this video for you to contact me over on Facebook so we can have a conversation to see if Modere is a good fit for you. So definitely make sure if this sounds good and you're continuing to listen and you're like, wow, this is amazing, let's have a conversation. Because what's gonna happen is you're gonna go over to Modere's site. There's one site that is just for customers. It doesn't say anywhere about joining or selling or becoming a distributor or a social marketer, which is what we call ourselves. It literally has an e-commerce site, just like if you were to go to Amazon or if you were gonna go to any of your favorite online sites to order products, right? And so it doesn't have this like spammy, like come and join my team that is such a turnoff in this network marketing space, right? Where we're always trying to get people to join and join and join. Because over here, we don't need to because of the affiliate side of the comp plan. We're happy to have you as a customer. We don't need you to join our team unless you want to actually build something over here and make money. And so if you go onto Modere's website, like I said, you're not gonna find anywhere to join. We have two websites. The other one is our Shifting Retail site that we have that you can go over to on Shifting Retail, and that's where you actually join and sign up to sell. And I loved that that was very different because I always felt like when I was sending my friends and family to buy my products at my former company, it like was very much like come and join, and it felt spammy. It didn't feel authentic that I wanted them as a customer. Now, the other thing that I love about Modere is that they understand branding, they understand attraction marketing. And again, I want you to know if you're listening to this and you're like, hey, this sounds fantastic, definitely in the description of this video, send me a message. I'm gonna put a direct link over to my Facebook page so you and I can chat and see if it's a good fit for you. But I definitely think that they have, mastered the game of branding, of showing up with authenticity, with showing up and giving value in your audience, because the days of spamming your friends and family on social media are no longer there, right? It doesn't work. It doesn't convert very well. And so they're very much on trend with they're on point with the trends of the way that, social media is, and they understand social media marketing. And so it has truly been a game changer for all of my business. And what's happened when I started to implement these things and I started to implement it with my team, we have had more success here than I ever dreamed possible in my former company, right? And so to me, it's about setting people up for success and having duplicable systems in place for our team to win. And that's what we have over here at Modere. And I'm super excited for you to check it out. If you've gotten this far in this video, definitely make sure you subscribe to this video and subscribe to any notifications because I show up here every week, but definitely make sure that you send me a message as well.